Hi children, good morning. How are you? Welcome back to our EVS online class. Children, what we studied in the last class? Did you remember that? Yes, what you studied in the last class? Yes, we studied about government. Three organs of government, functions of government, and our presidents. What is the first one? Yes. Which are the three organs of the government? Which are the three organs of the government? Who knows this answer? Do you answer? Yes, please say answer. Yes. Legislature, executive, and judiciary. What are they? Legislature, executive, and judiciary are the three organs of the government. Second one, what are the functions of legislature? Do you answer? Please answer it. Yes. Legislature is a body of people's representatives. The legislature makes laws for the welfare of the people. All students say loudly. What are the functions of legislature? Yes. Legislature is a body of people's representatives. The legislature makes laws for the welfare of the people. Third one, what is the full form of MLA? What is the full form of MLA? Who knows this answer? Yes, Member of Legislative Assembly. All students say loudly. Member of Legislative Assembly. Children, do you know who is your MLA? Who is your MLA? Who knows this answer? Yes, P. Ubaidullah is our MLA. Who is our MLA? P. Ubaidullah. Who is our MP? Member of Parliament? P.K. Kunyalikutty. Which is the national capital territory of India? Which is the national capital territory of India? Yes, Delhi is the national capital territory of India. Who is the real head of the union government? Who is the real head of the union government? Who knows this answer? Yes, the Prime Minister is the real head of the union government. Next one, who is the head of the Indian Union? Who is the head of the Indian Union? Yes, the President of India is the head of the Indian Union. President is the head of the Indian Union. Last one, what is Parliament? What is Parliament? Who knows this answer? Please answer it. Do you know? Yes, say loudly. Yes. The legislative body of the union government is called the Parliament. All students say loudly. The legislative body of the union government is called Parliament. Children, did you write and study these answers? Yes, very good. All students stand up. Right hand, front, left hand, front, hands up, hands down, sit down. All students listen to me very carefully. Today we are going to discuss about our Prime Ministers. Students, do you know the Prime Minister is the real head of the union government? Who is the head of the union government? Yes, Prime Minister is the real head of the union government. He selects a group of ministers to govern the country. He selects a group of ministers to govern the country. Now we discuss about, let's know our prime ministers. All students take your EVS textbook and look page number 104. Let's know our prime ministers. Can you see? Yes. All students read together. Who is the first Prime Minister of India? All students know answer. What is the answer? Who is the first Prime Minister of India? Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. First Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, year 1947 to 1964. Second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. All students read Lal Bahadur Shastri, year 1964 to 1966. Then third, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, year 1966 to 1977 and 1980 to 1984. Then fourth one, Morarji Desai, 1977 to 1979. Then next, Charan Singh, 1979 to 1980. Then next, Rajiv Gandhi, 1984 to 1989. Then VP Singh, 1989 to 1990. Then Chandrasekhar, 1990 to 1991. Then P.V. Narasimha Rao, 1991 to 1996. Then next, H.D. Devagowda, 1996 to 1997. Then I.K. Gujral, 1997 to 1997. Then A.P. Vajpayee, 1996 and 1998 to 1999 and 1999 to 2004. Then Dr. Manmohan Singh, 2004 to 2014. Then last one, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, 2014. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the current Prime Minister of India? Who knows this answer? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. All students can understand about Prime Ministers. Once again I say, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, P.P. Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, H.D. Devagowda, I.K. Gujral, A.B. Vajpayee, Dr. Manmohan Singh and Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Next we discuss about governor, or let's know our governors. The governor is the head of the state. The governor is the head of the state. Children, who is the head of the state? Who is the head of the state? Yes, governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by the president. He is appointed by the president. The governor appoints the chief minister. The governor appoints the chief minister. Other ministers are appointed by the governor on the advice of the chief minister. Other ministers are appointed by the governor on the advice of the chief minister. Children, do you know who is the governor? Who is the current governor, or who is the governor of Kerala? Who is the governor of Kerala? Yes, Arif Muhammad Khan. Who is the governor of Kerala? Arif Muhammad Khan. All students say loudly, governor of Kerala, Arif Muhammad Khan. Children, now we discuss about let's know our governors. Let's know our governors. Look page number 105 and read together. First governor, Dr. B. Ramakrishna Rao. Dr. B. Ramakrishna Rao, 1956 to 1960. Second one, B.V. Giri. B.V. Giri, 1960 to 1965. Third one, Ajit Prasad Jain. Ajit Prasad Jain, 1965 to 1966. The next one, Bhagavan Sahai, 1966 to 1967. The next, V. Vishwanathan. V. Vishwanathan, 1967 to 1973. The next, N.N. Panchu, 1973 to 1977. The next, Jyoti Venkatachalam, 1977 to 1982. P. Ramachandran, 1980 to 1988. The next, Ram Dulari Sinha, 1988 to 1990. Dr. Swarup Singh, 1990. The next, B. Rajaya, 1990 to 1995. The next, P. Shivashankar, 1995 to 1996. The next, Khurshid Alam Khan, 1996 to 1997. The next, Sukhdev Singh Kang, 1997 to 2002. The next, Sikandar Bakht, 2002 to 2004. T.N. Chaturvedi, 2004. Then R.L. Bhatia, 2004 to 2008. R.L. Bhatia. The next, R.S. Gawai, 2008 to 2011. The next, M.O.H. Farooq, 2011 to 2012. The next, H.R. Bharadwaj, 2012 to 2013. The next, Nikhil Kumar, 2013 to 2014. Next, Sheila Dikshit, 2014. P. Sadashivam, 2014. P. Sadashivam. Then, now Governor Arif Muhammad Khan. Who is the governor now? Arif Muhammad Khan. All students can understand about our governors. Children, next I say about our chief ministers. Who is the chief minister now? Who is the chief minister of Kerala? Yes, Pinarayi Vijayan. Who is the chief minister of Kerala? All students say loudly. Pinarayi Vijayan. Students, look page number 105. Our chief ministers. First chief minister E.M.S. Namboodiripad. All students read together. E.M.S. Namboodiripad, 1957 to 1959. Second one, Pattam Thanipilla, 1960 to 1962. 1960 to 1962. The next, R. Shankar, 1962 to 1964. The next, C. Achyuta Menon, 1969 to 1977. Next, K. Karunakaran, 1977 and 1981 to 1987 and 1991 to 1995. Then next, A.K. Antony, 1977 to 1978 and 1995 to 1996 and 2001 to 2004. Then P.K. Vasudevan Nair, 1978 to 1979. The next, C.H. Muhammad Koya, 1979 to 1979. Then E.K. Nayanar, 1980 to 1981 and 1987 to 1991 and 1996 to 2001. Next, V.S. Achyutanandan, 2006 to 2011. The next, Women Chandi, 2004 to 2006 and 2011 to 2016. The last, Pinarayi Vijayan, 2016. Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Yes, Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala. All students can understand about our Chief Ministers. All students stand up, sit down. Next I say about judiciary. Judiciary settles disputes between persons and disputes between persons and government. Settles disputes means തർക്കങ്ങൾ പരിഹരിക്കുന്ന. സെറ്റിൽ disputes between persons ജനങ്ങളുടെയുള്ള തർക്കങ്ങൾ പരിഹരിക്കുക. ആൻഡ് disputes between persons and government ഗവൺമെൻറ്റിൻ്റെയും വ്യക്തികളുടെ ഇടയിലുള്ള തർക്കങ്ങൾ പരിഹരിക്കുന്ന. ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ്സ് മെയിൻ ഫങ്ഷൻ ഈസ് ടു ഇൻ്റർപ്രറ്റ് ലോ. ഇൻ്റർപ്രറ്റ് ലോ മീൻസ് നിയമം വ്യാഖ്യാനിക്കുക. The main function is to interpret law. What are the functions of judiciary? Yes, settles disputes between persons, settles disputes between persons and government, and main function is to interpret law. All students say loudly, what are the functions of judiciary? Judiciary settles disputes between persons and settles disputes between persons and government and interpret law. Children, do you know what are the other functions of judiciary? What are the other functions of judiciary? Yes, judiciary to give justice to the people and interpretation and application of laws, role in law making and protection of rights, etc. Once again I say, to give justice to the people, interpretation and application of laws, role in law making and protection of rights. All students can understand about what are the functions of judiciary. Yes, unitary three-tier judiciary consisting of the Supreme Court headed by the Chief Justice of India, 21 high courts and a large number of trial courts also. Means judiciary is the branch of government that interprets the law. Such systems may have three branches: legislature, executive and judiciary. Often the judiciary branch has courts of first resort, appellate courts and a Supreme Court or Constitutional Court. The High Court of Justice of our country is the Supreme Court. Can you see Supreme Court? Or is it situated in Supreme Court? What is Supreme Court? The highest court of justice of our country is the Supreme Court. All students say loudly, the highest court of justice of our country is the Supreme Court. Which is the highest court of justice in the country? Which is the highest court of justice in the country? Yes, that is Supreme Court. Supreme Court means the highest court of justice of our country is the Supreme Court. It is in New Delhi. It is situated in New Delhi. Where is situated in Supreme Court? Yes, it is in New Delhi. What is Supreme Court? All students say loudly. Read together. Yes, the highest court of justice of our country is the Supreme Court. It is in New Delhi. Children, do you know who is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Who is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? Yes, Sharad Arvind Bobde. Who? Sharad Arvind Bobde is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Once again I say, Sharad Arvind Bobde. Sharad Arvind Bobde is the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. But the High Court is the highest court of justice in each state. The High Court is the highest court of justice in each state. The High Court of Kerala is situated at Kochi. The High Court of Kerala is situated at Kochi. Can you see our High Court? It is situated in Kochi. Which is the highest court of justice in the state? Which is the highest court of justice in the state? High Court is the highest court of justice in the state. Once again I say, what is High Court? Yes, highest court of justice in the state is High Court. Where is situated in High Court? Yes, it is situated at Kochi. The High Court of Kerala is situated at Kochi. Do you know who is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala? Who is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala? Do you know? Yes, Manikumar is the Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala. Once again say, who is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala? Yes, Manikumar. What students say loudly? Yes, Manikumar is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala. What students can understand about High Court and Supreme Court? Supreme Court means the highest court of justice of our country is the Supreme Court, but High Court means the highest court of justice of our state. The highest court of justice in the state is called High Court. Yes, Sharath Arvind Bobde. And who is the Chief Justice of High Court? Yes, Manikumar is the Chief Justice of the High Court of Kerala. Now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. Okay. First one, what are the functions of judiciary? What are the functions of judiciary? Next one, who is the head of the state? Who is the head of the state? Third one, which is the highest court of justice in the state? Which is the highest court of justice in the state? What is Supreme Court? What is Supreme Court? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.